Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a favicon to your website or landing page inside GoHighLevel. A favicon is the small icon that appears in a browser tab, bookmark bar, or next to a site name, representing your website or brand. It helps improve brand recognition, makes your site look more professional, and builds trust with visitors. Let's get started. First, make sure you already have your favicon image ready. Ideally, it should be a square image, 32 by 32 pixels, 64 by 64 pixels, or 512 by 512 pixels, saved in PNG or icon format with a transparent background. Now let's go back to our GoHighLevel sub-account dashboard. From the left-hand navigation menu, click on Media Storage. Here we need to upload our favicon image. I already uploaded mine earlier, so I'll just use that. Next, click on the three dots on the image and select Get Link to copy the image URL. After that, go to the site's menu and open the funnel or website where you want to add this favicon. Now let's go straight to the Settings tab of the funnel or website. Here, you'll see an option to enter the favicon URL. Simply paste the link we copied into this box, then click the Save button below to save your progress. After that, reload or refresh your website, and you'll see your favicon appear right next to your site's name in the Browser tab. Sometimes it may take a little while for the favicon to update on the live site, so don't worry if you don't see it instantly. But from my experience, in most cases, the favicon updates pretty quickly. And that's it. You've successfully added a favicon to your GoHighLevel landing page. This small step makes your page look much more professional and trustworthy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Ryzen Solutions for more tutorials on GoHighLevel and digital tools. See you in the next video.